Good day everyone. So I am Group 6 reporter. I am here to present about the Micronesian. Micronesian is a small group of islands in the western Pacific Ocean. It includes the Federated States of Micronesia, Palau, and the Marshall Islands. Micronesians live there for more than 4,000 years and surrounded by the ocean. And the sea became very important of their life. They're known as one of the best traditional navigators in the world. One of the most amazing things about the Micronesian is their traditional navigational system because they are able to travel thousands of miles across the sea without using modern tools like GPS, ICDIS, or radar. Instead, they use the stars, ocean waves, wind direction, clouds, and even birds to guide them. Micronesians build strong wooden canoes. If you wonder what is canoes, have you seen the movie Moana? So, their wooden boat that's canoe. The wooden boat that's they created for fishing, traveling, trading, and exploring. So, fishing was very important for food and survival. They understood the ocean deeply and respected it. They also created the special stick charts. These were made from the sticks and shells that showed oceans, wave patterns, and island locations. This knowledge was passed down orally from generations to generation. Living on the small islands is not easy because it has limited resources and land, and you might face the strong storms and typhoons. But instead of giving up, they adapted it. They become skilled navigators so they can connect with their other islands. They learn how to store food and work together as a community. So today, Micronesia also face modern challenges like climate change and rising sea levels, which threaten their islands. Micronesians navigation is still studied and respected around the world. Their knowledge teaches us the importance of understanding their nature. The value of traditional knowledge is that modern sailors are and researchers still learn from their navigational techniques. Micronesians made a huge contribution to maritime history even without modern technology. The years successfully traveled across the vast Pacific Ocean. They show us that with knowledge, skills, and respect for nature, humans, and overcome even the biggest challenges of the sea. That's all.